What's good, fam? How y'all doing today? So for this video, we're gonna ceramic coat my wrap that I did like a few weeks ago. But now I just had time to do it. But to do that, we had to wash the car because the car is filtered right now. But I am currently at Walmart at 7 in the morning to get some new washing supplies, wash mitt and stuff like that, because mine are crusty. And we're here early because we're trying to avoid that Texas heat. All right, so we're here at the Walmart washing section. So I want to say in the first hand, don't judge my choice of what I'm picking for my stuff, because the point of me doing ceramic coating is to not barely have to wash it or put my hands on the car most of the time. So we're gonna get the some okay stuff that won't scratch up the paint, or I mean at this point, or scratch up the wrap. Enough for now, and hopefully I wouldn't have to put my hands on it too much. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna do this one right now. I've used this towel before. It's a pretty good job of grabbing the water. So, and it's only 10 bucks. And we're gonna use this mitt here. Basic, but it's still pretty soft enough, so it'll clean it and it won't really damage the paint. Now, don't quote me, I am not a pro at cleaning my cars. This is just what I can get at the moment. So the most important place we need to go to is over here, and it's freaking Starbucks. So why I said that Starbucks is important, because the wife wants some coffee in the morning, and whatever makes the wife happy makes my life happy, so I can buy more car parts. Even though it's my money. Yeah, let's go buy some hers. Let's go get her some coffee. Let's go. All right, so I'm ready. I got my foam stuff, my wash stuff done, ready to wash this car. Was going to take off the decals and stuff off the window because I was going to ceramic coat the window also, but I'm gonna wait until I can borrow my polisher from my friend, because ideally I was gonna polish this wrap too, but it'd be all right. I mean, it's a wrap, so it's just good enough. But so I'm gonna leave the window how it is, and we're gonna, and the carbon too, because I want to polish the carbon a little bit to bring it the carbonness come back out. And yep, that's that. So today we're gonna wash, ceramic coat just the wrap part and the roof too. Yeah, so let's get to washing. I'll do a little time lapse of me just spraying down with the foam gum and washing. We won't do a detail wash because it's dirty, but it's like the wrap is new. So I just needed to wash to get out the dirt, the contamination off the top coat, and it will be done since it's not really paint. So let's get to it. Car is mostly dry. I wiped it down. Still pretty shiny, look. Hopefully when I do ceramic coating, it'll bring the shine a little more. Overall, wrap still going well. Don't mind worry about the wheels. What I'm gonna do is just the wrap part. I'm not gonna do the window, or any of the trim or the glass. So the ceramic coat that we're gonna use for today is Adams Graphene Ceramic Coating Advanced. There's two options. The one you probably see me use most of the time so far is the regular, and this is the advanced one. Basically, there's just more protection for this. Since I need a new bottle anyway, I was like, let me try out the advanced. It has apparently supposed to be a thicker coating, better protection overall, of course, for the wrap. So, and for, I am not gonna go super detail on how to do it. I'm just gonna do a certain section, buff it off, trying to go as fast as I can. It doesn't have to be perfect because this is a wrap, not paint. And also, it's my car. It's having this on and not having it is better than nothing. So, not saying I'm lazy. It's also super hot still, and I'm sweating if you can't tell, a lot. So, yeah. It's going. I'm probably gonna start with the roof. We're gonna do all the roof, leave the glass, the top section of the roof, and then just kind of move down and do this section, and then we'll go on the other side. Yeah. I apologize ahead of time. Most of this video is gonna be time lapse because it's just like repetitive process. If you've never done ceramic coating before, you can watch other videos of mine. But overall, what you need to do is just ceramic coat a layer or a dot, a few dots or a streak on the applicator. You want to start doing it in like blocks, not big pieces. You can do big pieces if you want, but you want to do cross section. Let it sit, cure for a few seconds here and there, and then you want to buff it off and then repeat the process all over.